Guys, this is Anupama and welcome back. So how are you guys? After a long time I'm speaking to you guys. I hope you're all doing good. So let's start with our DIY today, that is making of this beautiful wall hanging. And guys, if you're new to my channel and if you're not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing. So let's get started. So for this I'm using this broken embroidery hoop. You can even use round one, but for this project I feel that this would be the perfect shape. Now start coloring the embroidery hoop. For this I'm using this burnt umber color. Now take any metal wire, I'm using this floral wire, and start winding it around the embroidery hoop as shown in the video, like this. You just need to bend the wire to form a loop and then give it a twist. Then again wind the wire 1 or 2 rounds round the embroidery hoop and then again bend the wire to form a loop and then give it a twist, and you need to follow this till the end. And if you're running short of wire, you can always add more wire. So you need to continue the same process till you reach the end point. Now I had taken a cardboard and drawn an owl picture on it. And now using a sharp knife, you just need to cut it to get that shape. And be careful while doing this. And now I'm using this plaster of Paris. Instead of plaster of Paris, you can use white cement or wall putty or talcum powder. To that add a little bit of glue and water and then mix it to get this consistency. And now start applying this paste on the cardboard. Spread it evenly and then let it dry after giving one coat. So this is how it looks after we are done with the first coat. Now let's apply the second coat and then again let it dry. Now take some mini air dry clay. Here I am using Fevicryl Mouldit. Now cover the tips of the wire with this clay and then start forming the leaf shape like this. Just give it a shape to form a leaf. You need to do this for all the loops. So now once you are done with everything, let the clay dry completely. Now let's move on to the owl part. Start forming the features, starting with eyes. Now let's start making the wings. For that, apply some glue and stick more clay to form the shape. And now to get the texture of feathers, I am using this refill. Just press it to get the feather texture. Now take some more clay and roll it. And using this flower cutter, I'll be making some small flowers. And one more thing guys, these flower cutters are really very useful. I had used them in many projects. So it's worth buying these cutters. And now start sticking them on the embroidery hoop. Once you're done with the sticking part of the flowers, let the clay dry. Now let's move on to the making part of the hangings. For that I had taken some more clay and just roll it to form a teardrop shape. And then gently press it to form a leaf shape. And using your scale, give impressions on it to form a leaf. Make a hole. And now we need to stick this owl to the embroidery hoop. For that, apply some glue and attach more clay over the tail part. And now place the embroidery hoop above the clay and gently give it a press such that the embroidery hoop sticks to the owl. Attach the beak. So once you're done with everything, let the clay dry completely before going to the coloring part. Now as a base coat, I am applying white acrylic paint. Now for the coloring part, you can choose any colors of your choice. I am using teal blue here. And for the leaves, I am using this leaf green. So now we are done with the coloring part of the top part. Now let's move on to the hangings. For that again I am using this leaf green color for the leaves. And now adding little bit of yellow to get that shades of leaf. So now we are done with the making part of the leaf. Let's make the hangings. For that I am using this rope. Just pass it through the holes and start making the hangings. And I am using these colorful wooden beads. You can use any beads of your choice. So you need to make 5 hangings. So once you're done with the hangings, place them in correct positions and then stick them using any strong glue, and your beautiful wall hanging is ready to hang. And one more important thing guys, please don't forget to apply a good varnish to seal your project. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed today's project, and please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please do consider subscribing. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.